Hey guys, and welcome back here to the channel. Today we are starting a new Funko Pop collection. From before I only have one, and that is Bob Ross himself. I bought that like a meme or anything like that. But I have now started collecting some more, and I have ordered some cheap ones just to fulfill the collection a bit more. So we're going to pop into this Funko Pop shipment that I got yesterday, and we are going to see what we are getting. It is a while since I actually ordered these ones, but we are going to take a look on what we are getting. So this is the box itself. It's 4 or 5 Funko Pops, I do believe. And to say it like this, the theme is Star Wars indeed. I actually covered up my address just to be sure that you guys couldn't see where the heck I'm living. So let's see what we are getting here. Let's open this up. There we go, there we go. Ooh, nice. Okay, so we have some big bubble wrap thing. Not about a bubble wrap, but sealed air. Sure. It's great to have some air on display, you know? Okay, nice. I don't think you guys are seeing this yet, but this is going to be nice. Okay, so let's start off with, let's take this one. Boom, here we go. Okay, so it's BB9E Star Wars vinyl. Okay, it's a nice one. Let's take a look on the package here. It does have, I guess that is just to be to get the air in, but if you see in the top here, that hole is a bit bigger than I want on the case itself. Yeah, nice. That's a nice one. BB9E, black one. That's a nice one. Okay. So the next one. Aha. There we got a Resistance BB unit. So it's another BB unit, but in another colorway, and this is the Resistance one. That is nice one. How is the case here? Do look very nice, and it is the exclusive one. So that's the nice one. That's a nice one. Okay. Who should we take next? Who should we take next? Let's take a look here. Let's take this one. They're a bit tight sealed actually here, so I don't want the packaging itself to be damaged here. Okay, so here we do have the first order executioner. Boom, and there we go. 201. That's a nice one. So how is the package one? What I do want to do going through this though are check them on Stashpedia, see what I bought them for and what they actually are worth. See if we made some good deals. And as I've said a couple of times here now, we do want to go and grab a bigger collection here, and I actually have ordered some, but they have not arrived yet. So we are taking all of these. Next one. Boom, here we go. It's the vinyl bobblehead Kylo Ren. That's a nice one. 194. Packaging seems good on this one also. Of course, keeping them in the case, not opening them for anything. And to the last, we do have the big item. Not a big item, I guess, though, but we have Mr. Luke Skywalker himself. So there we go. That is the 5 that we got today. And at the end here, I'm going to update with the price I paid for them and the Stashpedia value. So I'm taking another shot of going through this with the value below. So we have Luke. We have the First Order Executioner. we have Kylo Ren. We have the Resistance BB unit. And we have the BB9E. Okay guys, so that was the 5 Funko Pops that we got today. We are going to extend the collection a bit more, but we are taking it slow. We don't have too much money to spend on this, but so I hope you like this this video, and we will be back in the future grabbing some more Funko Pops to extend the collection even more. So now we have 6 total Funko Pops with Mr. Bob Ross. And if you haven't followed the channel or subscribed to the channel yet, I would really appreciate if you did. And I will see you all in the next video here at the channel. Bye bye guys.